improvements to Jira Cloud, introducing Atlassian Together, Atlassian Analytics Videoseries, community members share how they pivoted their careers, and we also have a weekly events roundup as usual and some partner news. Hi everyone, I'm Nikki and I have a special guest today with me, Jennifer from Appfire. Appfire helps teams collaborate more efficiently with apps that make work flow. Hi Jennifer, so great to have you here.
Hi, thanks so much for having me.
Awesome, so should we start with the first news?
Absolutely, let's get into it. I'm excited. Exciting news for Jira users from the Atlassian community this week. Atlassian has released 6 new usability improvements. These updates include advanced search features that make it easier to find the issue you're looking for, better sorting options for pinned fields, changes to help you spend less time updating parent fields in the backlog, UX improvements to the mobile app, the option to silence some notifications, and more. But that's not all. We'll continue to see enhancements to Jira software in the coming months, including quick search improvements and changes to advanced roadmaps. Have a look at this community post to learn more about the current updates and get a sneak peek.
Wow, these are some really great improvements to Jira. Well, speaking of Jira and other Atlassian tools, there are also other updates that are quite exciting. Do you remember when the Atlassian Together was announced?
I do, yeah.
Well, I have some news about that. If you are waiting to try the Atlassian Together, I have some really good news for you. It's currently now available and starts at just $15.2 per user per month, which is billed annually, for 1,000 users. This single cloud-based subscription offers a suite of work management products, including Trello, Confluence, Jira, Work Management, and Atlas. All tools you need to connect teams and remove barriers to collaboration. So if you are a company with more than 1,000 users on Jira and also use other Atlassian tools, have a look at the Atlassian Together landing page and try it out. So what do you think about it, Jennifer?
I think that's really, really interesting. Sounds like it's going to help a lot of users.
Yeah, I think it's going to save quite a bit of money on, especially for the bigger companies that are using all of these tools together. So it's really great to see this program being launched so soon after the announcement, right?
Definitely very exciting.
Okay, so what do we have up next?
You know, they say you can't prove what you can't measure. So we're excited to announce a new series of videos that will help you and your colleagues learn Atlassian Analytics and Data Lake. This 13-part video series will show you how to do things like add Atlassian Analytics to a site, create an Atlassian Data Lake connection, add people and set their permission levels, jumpstart your dashboard creation with a template, create charts using the chart editor, and more. So head over to Atlassian's YouTube channel to start upping your Atlassian Analytics game today.
Well, the Atlassian Analytics was another feature that was, or product that was launched quite recently. And, you know, it's targeted more towards enterprise companies, so we cannot really get our hands on it. So seeing these videos, I'm really excited and I'm actually going to watch them and see how the product actually looks like and how it behaves.
Yeah, I think, you know, a lot of people are visual learners. And I think the video is great too, because you can just get your whole team together. Everybody can learn at the same time, compare notes, discuss. It's just a great way to learn.
Oh, I actually never thought about that. You just gave me a great idea how to kind of like engage with the team while learning new things. I think, have you ever done that before? Like sitting down with the team, watching the YouTube videos, taking notes?
Yeah, absolutely. And it's, you know, it's a great time for people to ask questions. You know, people can ask for you to go back and watch a piece again from the video and discuss it, kind of do a deeper dive. So yeah, it's a great learning platform.
Well, Speaking of learning, I have some really interesting community post that was posted this week to the Atlassian community, so let me share that with you. The Atlassian community has shared inspiring stories of their career shift, sharing some awesome tips and insights for you. First, take a step back and assess your motivations and career goals. Research potential industries or roles that align with your strengths and weaknesses. Also, try to acquire new skills by taking online courses and certifications. And of course, you don't want to forget about building your professional network in your desired industry, which can then help you gain insights into the field and also the new job opportunities. These success stories from community members prove that pivoting can be scary at the times, but also rewarding experience. I really love this post, and it's really great to see all these familiar faces who are learning all together and sharing their career journeys. It's really inspiring. Well, speaking of the community, I think we have events on our list now, right?
We do.
Yes, let's get into it then.
Okay, I have a question for you, Nikki. What do VR headsets, Lego bricks, and miniature models of Brisbane have to do with Agile? Attendees of the Agile in Wonderland Community Day event at the Cross River Rail Experience Center in Brisbane found out last week. The gathering was sponsored by Atlassian, Accenture, and Strategenics, and featured a mix of breakouts and keynotes covering flow at scale, tips on how to move fast without breaking things, how Lego Serious Play can help revitalize your strategic workshops, and how to power up your enterprise agility. Attendees also heard from the venue hosts about how massive infrastructure and construction projects are more agile than you think. We love the idea of adults learning through play. Have a look at the calendar for more ACE events happening near you. Also, this week, you can get a sneak peek of the great features and benefits coming to Data Center over the next few months in the Atlassian On-Demand webinar called Roadmap Highlights, Looking Ahead for Atlassian Data Center by Group Product Manager Makisa Appleton. Learn about new feature benefits that will improve the way admins and end users work, strengthen security, and provide powerful performance. Click the link in the calendar to register.
I'm always so impressed how many events are there, but I really didn't expect the VR and the Lego one. So what all of these have together? Well, teamwork, isn't it?
Absolutely. Everybody learns better when they're having fun. I think everybody learns better through play. It's not just for children. You know, our minds open up, we get more creative and better at solving problems. And I think we're more relaxed and collaboration is improved as well.
Oh yeah, definitely. That's actually what Peter Pan was always saying, right? Don't grow up, it's a trap. Is it like
Exactly. I think it was him.
Yeah. Agree with that very much. Okay, well, that's about for the news from the Atlassian and community part of the world in the ecosystem. Now let's have a look at the partner news. We have two quite exciting updates. K15T shares how Global Vision improved knowledge sharing and collaboration using Confluence and Scroll Viewport. Read their story to learn how this seamless integration enabled them to create online content destinations and enhance their help center. Check out the customer story for tips on improving the knowledge management. These were the news from K15T, but we have some exciting news from Appfire as well, right?
We do. I'm excited to share. Appfire just released a new feature within Kamala Publishing for Data Center called Snapshot Publishing, which allows you to freeze dynamic content like embedded Jira issues and other macros. This feature also introduces collections, which can be organized by document type. Permissions are granted to users or groups, which breaks from the Atlassian hierarchy of page and space permissions. To learn more, visit our marketplace listing or our recent blog post, which explains how this can help you manage your compliance requirements.
Well, these are some really interesting improvements. I guess it's time to try Kamala Publishing.
So many great features.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today, Jennifer, and taking care of the Monday coffee while Biro is away on holidays.
You know, no one can replace Biro, but it was really fun to be here. Thanks for the invitation.
Oh, it was a pleasure to have you. I'm sure that we are going to have you back again next time. For everyone, thank you so much for watching Monday Coffee with Appfire. I hope that you enjoyed the news this week. For you not to miss on the next news and updates from the Atlassian ecosystem, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you can follow us on LinkedIn as well. And in the meantime, I hope that you enjoy your Monday coffee, and we'll see you next week.
Have a great week.